the center of the room and speak into the microphone.
Hey, what up,
I'll
Lex?
say a second person's name to have a seat right there in the chair by the door. Once in a while, we may need to pause.
Anxiety.
So please do not enter the hearing room unless I've called for you.
And Nancy, yeah, I heard about that, Matt.
I'm about to share with you is written out on your paperwork, so you will have that to review after you leave the hearing room. Stephen Moore, please come to the podium. Michael Valdez, have a seat by the door.
Yeah, let's see what these vatos did to get themselves jammed up. Hey, beautifully felt. Thank you for that. Highly appreciate that. Good to see you. Smile on the face. Hey, thank you, Mommy Heartless. Oh, and my appointment went good.
Stephen Moore, 51390.
51390.
You're here today on a grand jury warrant. It is alleged that in 2018, 2019, and 2022, you may have been participating in a conspiracy, which is a Class 2 felony.
Ah, man, I can't see his face.
Organization or management, which is a Class 2 felony. Managing a financial crime syndicate, which is a Class 2 felony. And money laundering.
Yeah, this guy was busy.
Felony. So the grand jury found probable cause. This court is appointing an attorney to assist you. And
can't hear? You can't hear, Mommy Heartless?
On February 26th at 8
Oh, shit, hold on.
You're still eligible for release, but it is a cash-only appearance bond of $150,000.
Headphone, audio.
Set by the grand jury.
Thank you for letting me know. I'll fix it right now.
If you're able to post that bond, you'll have electronic monitoring, and you'll have some release conditions that you need to follow, including not to have any contact with any members or associates of any gang.
All right, can you hear now, Mommy Heartless?
If you're not able to post the bond, you'll stay in custody and be transported to your next hearing.
Okay, there we go.
Please
it should be good now.
Sir. Thank you. Michael Valdez, please come to the...
What about now?
James
Negative?
Robbie, have a seat by
you guys are here now. Okay, cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you for letting me know.
Name and date of birth.
Michael Ray Valdez, October 29th, 1988.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on 4
Only thing now we can't see their faces.
Bond surrender matters. So the bond surrender
like, what the hell?
Been complete, which means you're now back in custody and you have the same release conditions as before with the same bond amount. So we can go through them one at a time. The first one is $25,000, and that was for the possession of a weapon and discharge of the firearm. On all of these, your next hearings, let's see if they're all the same.
Hey, what up, Maui? How's it going?
They're not all the same. So on that one, you have an attorney appointed, and your next hearing...
Hey, what's up, classy girl?
8:30.
Window watchers.
The release conditions are the same as before.
Nico.
Your next one was the narcotic drug possession. Again, you already have an attorney appointed. Your next hearing is February 26th, 8:30 in the morning. This one carries a $500 bond. Your next one was, again, narcotic drug possession, but a different date with a $500 bond. And then your last one is, again, a $500 bond for narcotic drug possession. So you have three that are alleging narcotic drug possession that each carry the $500 bond. And then you have the one that is the firearm issues, and that carries a $25,000 bond. So hopefully...
Damn, $25,000?
Exact same as it was before. You have just been brought back, and it's been reestablished. If you're able to post the bond, which is $26,500 total, you'll have electronic monitoring on your release, and you'll need to go to your hearings. If you're not able to post the bond, you'll stay in custody, and you'll be transported to your hearings.
Hey, thank you, Chad. Thank you, Mommy Heartless.
Yes. So I did bond out this last time. So I was out on my ankle.
What up, Mary?
And when they released me, I did show up to court. They sent the paperwork
Sierra.
to the wrong address, which is the reason why I wasn't able to go to my next court date. So I was unaware of when my next court date was.
I hate when that happens.
From here, from the initial appearance hearing?
For the first court, yes. But for the probation court, my public defender said that I was supposed to go the next day, which I was unaware of that. And they sent the paperwork to quash the warrant or something like that. So when they sent the paper to the address of where I was living, they said that's what
my OCD,
because I didn't receive that on the address. I didn't receive
what up, felons?
that letter.
I can see that what you're saying is true. There was a motion to quash filed.
Yeah.
And then they did set another hearing to discuss that motion to quash. Unfortunately, you were not present, so it was vacated.
What up, Marge?
Right.
The other hearing.
What up, Peaceful?
For the motion to quash even. So
What up,
these
Empress
warrants are
KK?
also valid, and because the bond company brought you back, they've been reinstated because now there's nobody bonding you out right now.
Right, well,
You see the-
reason why I bonded out is because
The way my mail
they
works,
came and picked me up from school, you know? I'm
yeah.
trying to do the right thing.
they picked them up from school?
I understand, and
And-
that is unfortunate, but these are still valid, and because they've brought you
Hey,
back,
thank you,
the
fellas.
bonds are now reimposed. You could try a different bond company. There is more than one.
I understand, but the reason for, I would have showed up to court if they would have sent it to the right address. You know? Because I've been showing up to my court date. I went to probation day before yesterday. My ankle monitor probation officer came to see me yesterday. I showed up to court last week, so I'm not trying to miss any. I wasn't trying to miss any court date.
Right.
And they pulled me out of school today. I mean, is
And
it
I can see that what you're saying is true. I've been able to verify it.
right?
But unfortunately, I can't change those original bonds, and because the bond company brought you back, and like you
Hey,
said,
Captain
they pulled
Austin, thank
out
you.
because these bonds are no longer supported by your bond company.
She should give him a
Go
break?
through
What do
that
you guys
process
think?
again.
Is there any way I can get OR to go to finish school tomorrow?
What up, Big John?
No, sir. Yeah.
He has his school uniform
Did
on.
I pay the first time?
No, that shouldn't, well, it depends on your contract with the bond company. So that's something between you and that first bond company.
Is there any way I can get a
What up,
little
Nicole?
bond to get out to go to school tomorrow?
Not on these cases today, sir.
What did you say the total amount was?
26,500,
26,000?
26,500, yes.
What's
sir.
10% of that?
Thank you.
Please take your paperwork. Thank you, sir. James Robbie, please come to the podium. Kobe Washington, have a seat by the door.
Man, poor fella. He was trying to do is get his education. Bro, you better call, you better call absent.
Please say your name and date of
Hey, what up, Drea?
12960.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on two cases. The first one is a new case.
Shawana,
involving
thank you.
Organized retail theft, which is a Class 4 felony, and burglary, which is a Class 4 felony. This court did find probable cause and appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on February 25th.
Hey, thank you
at
for them
8:30
daily
in the
hearts.
morning. You do have a $5,000
What up,
bond
Mark?
on this case. You are ordered not to enter any Walmarts in Maricopa County while the case is pending.
Not the
And
Walmart.
if you're able to post the bond, you would have an electronic monitoring device. Your other matter here today is an arrest warrant. This is from December 18th of 2025. It's alleged you had dangerous drugs in your possession. That's a Class 4 felony. So you were arrested, released, and now the state has brought charges against you. An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and on this other case, the old one, your next hearing is not until March 5th at 8:30 in the morning.
This is Maricopa County,
You are
Jerome.
released on your promise to go to that hearing. So on one of them, you have bond, $5,000. On the other one, you do not.
Chad, yeah.
The hearing is later. It is in March. Make sure you go to both your hearings, whether if you are
What happened to the audio? What the
in
what?
custody, you'll be transported to the first one. But if you are not, make sure you go to both hearings or they will issue a warrant for your arrest. Okay? Please take your paperwork, sir. Kobe Washington, please
Can
come
somebody
to the podium.
can somebody hit that unmute button? I can't see their faces.
By the door.
I can't even see anything. He's happy to see you. Hey, what's up? Hey, thank you. Likewise, happy to see you too.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Kobe Washington, June 5th, 1990.
We need some short
Thank
people
you,
up in
sir.
here.
You're here today on a new case alleging criminal trespass in the first degree, which is a class
Maricopa,
felony,
yeah.
and then obstruction or not giving your true name, which is a misdemeanor.
Oh, we need some
This
little
court did find
fellas.
probable cause and appointed an attorney to assist you. Your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on February 25th at 8:30 in the morning. There was both a victim impact statement as well as the law enforcement report. And so you do have bond set at $5,000 secured. If
Hey,
you're able to
thank you,
post
that one
bond,
girl.
Not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. Do not have any weapons or drugs without a valid prescription. If you're not able to post the bond, you will stay in custody and be transported to your next hearing. Please take your paperwork, sir, and have a seat. Donovan Levi, please come to the podium. Jennifer Ruiz, have a seat by the door.
Hey, Chad, I'm glad I wasn't in jail, man. Imagine being in jail in this condition right here, man. It's all bad.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Donovan Levi, 12/15/1977.
For you,
Thank you,
right?
sir. You're here today because you failed to go to your status conference on January 29th. So a warrant was issued for your arrest.
Shawana, thank you.
You have an attorney already in your case, and now you have a
Well,
hearing
Emily.
on February 25th at 8:30 in the morning. There is a $1,000 secured appearance bond with the same release conditions as before. If you're not able to post the bond, you'll stay in custody and be transported to your next hearing. Please take your paperwork, sir. Thank you. Jennifer Ruiz, please come to the podium. Jacob Ehringer, please have a seat by the
Damn,
door.
they've definitely been busy in Maricopa. They haven't missed any steps over there while I've been gone.
Jennifer Louise, 1293.
Thank you, ma'am. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. It's alleged you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on
Citizen?
February
Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, damn, is she in a
8:30
bathrobe?
in the morning.
I need one of those.
$750 secured appearance bond. If you're able to post that,
She's
call your
definitely styling
probation
and
officer,
profiling.
Follow your normal terms and conditions of probation. Go to your hearing. If you're not able to post it, you'll stay in custody and be transported to your hearing. Please take your paperwork, ma'am.
Hey, she's
Ehringer.
definitely dressed for the occasion because that place is freaking cold. So she's definitely staying warm. I wouldn't be surprised if somebody tries to trade her like either shoes or some soups or a Gatorade for that. For her,
Please say your name and your date of birth.
what was a sweater? It looked like a bathrobe.
Here, 12/26/91.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on 2 matters. They are both probation violation.
Really,
warrants.
Dan?
It's alleged you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on February 26th at 8:30 in the morning. One of
Definitely
these
not a champion with that
is
sweater.
100, the other one is 600, or 500.
Linda.
So that's 600 total. If you're able to post your $600 bond, call your probation officer and go to your hearing. If you are not, you'll stay in custody and be transported to your hearing.
Is there any way I could get OR'd?
What up,
On
Daphne?
these bonds are set by probation.
There's no possible way at all? Because I have...
Well, I also
Here it comes, here it comes. What do you have, a new job? Starting it tomorrow?
There was some
Going to
other
school?
misleading thing, but you did not. So not on these bonds.
What up, Ginger Snap?
I gotta go do surgery for my eye, and I have at my job.
Okay. So in the Form 4, what I'm reading through here is that you were not compliant, and so you were booked in on your bonds?
Yeah, I was
So these are
hospitalized for
gonna be-
like almost a month.
Okay, I'll be good for my OR though.
No, sir. No OR today. It's a $600 secured appearance bond.
No soup for you. Next!
Not today, sir.
So I gotta stay in jail?
Michael Moran Gonzalez, please come to the podium.
I don't have any coverage at work.
Juan, have a seat by the door. Please say your name and date of birth.
Michael Moran Gonzalez, June 28, 2000.
Thank you, sir.
I'm
You're
getting
here
better.
today on 2 matters. One of them is a new case alleging you had narcotic drugs in your possession. That's
Yes.
a Class 4
Narcotics?
felony. This court did find probable cause and appointed an attorney to assist you.
Okay.
Your next hearing on your new case is March 5th at 8:30 in the morning. You are going to be released on your new case on your promise to go to the hearing, but you do have a second case.
Who's
The second
Clav?
case here today is a municipal court warrant alleging that you haven't gone to your DUI hearing.
Yes.
So your next hearing is at Peoria Municipal Court on February
Shawana, thank you for that. Highly
24th
appreciate you.
at 9 a.m. And
Okay.
Peoria issued a warrant for your arrest because you didn't go, and it's $250 bond.
Okay.
So if you can post your $250 bond, make sure you go to both your hearings, the one in Peoria and then the one downtown for your new case, or they'll issue a warrant for your arrest.
Okay, I'll be there.
Okay, please take your paperwork.
Thank you.
Eliana Juan, please come to your podium, and Anthony Regalado, have a seat by the door.
Regalado. His last name
Please
is
say your name and date of birth.
Eliana 1, 01/21/2000.
Thank you, ma'am. You're here today on 2 matters. They are both probation violation warrants. It's alleged that you violated term 3 of your probation. An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix.
Definitely he
And
got
that will
out
be February 20th,
January 5th.
8:30 in the morning.
She's
You
picking her
are
nose?
eligible for release.
Cochina.
There is a $250 bond on both of your warrants, so that's $500 total. If you're able to post your bond, make sure you call your probation officer, follow your normal terms and conditions of probation, and go to your hearing. If you're not able to post your bond, you'll stay in custody and be transported to your hearing. Okay, please take your paperwork, ma'am.
Definitely, unfortunately, I wasn't able to go because I was in the hospital. I was hospitalized
Regalado, please
during that
come to
time,
the
so
podium.
I missed it
Jason,
also.
Grandson, have a seat by the...
What? This citizen,
Right
this
here in the
is.
center of the room. Please say your name and date of birth.
Cochina.
11/22/05.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a new municipal court case alleging disorderly conduct or fighting. This is alleged as a misdemeanor.
Where's the guy at? I can't see nobody.
It's appointed for you because it appears to be a domestic violence case.
What?
Your hearing is at Surprise
Drop
Municipal
one, flush
Court on
one.
February 24th at 1:30 in the afternoon. There was a victim impact statement submitted that was considered along with the law enforcement report. So you do have bond set at $500. It's secured bond, so you can use a bond company. If you're able to post the bond, you're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainant. I understand that might be your residence. And so in that case, if you're able to post bond, you may go back one time with a law enforcement escort. That's called a civil standby, so that you can retrieve necessary things like identification, medication, and clothing that you need between now and your next hearing. But otherwise, you're not to have any contact with the alleged victim. And you're cautioned that if you were to violate that no contact order, it might be considered a Class 6 felony. So all this is written out on your paperwork. If you're not able
What up,
to
High
post
Queen?
bond today, sir, you will be held in custody and transported out to Peoria for that hearing. And then
Thank you for that, Alley Cat.
change this order. Okay. Please take your paperwork, sir.
In a nutshell, Alley Cat, I had a procedure done that went sideways and ended up causing a bunch of other problems where I ended up being hospitalized for over 3 weeks. But, luckily I'm here, which is the plus side, if you
Please say
will.
your name and your date of birth.
Stacy Grantham, 9397.
Welcome back, Cha-Cha.
Thank you, ma'am. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. It's alleged that you violated terms 3 and 5 of your probation.
Mickey, the man, thank you.
An attorney has been appointed to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on February 26th.
It's been a
8:30 in the
minute.
morning. You are eligible for release.
Chad,
It does
damn.
ask
Did
for
you
a
just get paid, Chad? What's up?
$150
Gracias.
If you're able to post your bond, follow
Brandon,
your
thank you for the
normal
follow.
conditions of probation, call your PO within 72 hours, and go to your hearing. If you're not able to post your bond, you'll stay in custody and be transported there.
Okay.
Okay, please take your paperwork, ma'am. Robert Spencer, please come to the podium. Jack?
It's definitely been a slow recovery for me. It's been slow. I'm getting better day by day. Now my eyes, hell no, I could see perfectly fine.
I think Robert Spencer is wearing a black hoodie.
Hey, thank you, Alley Cat, for the 50 roses. Highly appreciate you.
Black hoodie.
Now, yeah, my legs went bad. Hey, thank you, Chad, once again for that galaxy. My legs and my knees are jacked up right now. I gotta get my strength back up. Laughing out because I asked because my dad's eyes. Oh, damn. Thank the Lord you are here. Yeah, man, it was crazy. It was definitely a roller coaster going through that.
081587.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a justice court warrant alleging criminal trespass in the 3rd degree as a misdemeanor.
Raven, thank you.
An attorney will be appointed to assist you at the University Lakes Justice Court, and that is on February 24th, 8:30 in the morning, because you do have a $100 bond.
$100?
To post that bond, then you won't have the attorney. You can hire one or represent yourself.
Oh, wow.
You're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime. And if you're able to post the bond, make sure you get yourself to that hearing. I've included their phone number.
Hey, what up, Deborah?
As well on your paperwork. Okay?
When is the court date?
February 24th. Please take your paperwork, sir. Jack Westerman, please come to the podium. Daniel.
Hey, Chad. Right now, since I'm not working, man, I had to clear out the couch fund, if you will.
Jack Westerman, September 20, 2002.
Thank you, sir. You're here on a new case alleging that you had dangerous drugs in your possession. That's a Class 4 felony. This court did find probable cause and appointed an attorney to assist you. Your
No
next
eggs.
hearing is downtown Phoenix on March 5th. at
Damn, this one
8:30
came in
the morning.
stripes.
You are going to be released today under supervised release as long as you don't have anything else pending or holding you here. So if that's the case and you're released in a few
Mustache
hours,
don't lose a shave, that's right.
release, make sure you don't have any weapons, any drugs without a valid prescription, and keep the court updated with your address so you don't have that type of situation where you don't get the notices.
What up, Darren?
Okay, please take your paperwork.
Thank you.
Daniel Bustos. Please
This
come
one
to the
came
podium.
straight in stripes.
Paul, have a seat by the door.
Chad going.
Please say your name and date of birth.
Daniel Bustos, 08/16/1990.
Thank you, sir. You're here on a new case alleging theft of means of transportation. That's a Class 3 felony. An attorney has been appointed for you. Your next hearing will be downtown Phoenix on March 5th, 8:30 in the morning. You are going to be released today on your promise to go to that hearing, but you are not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants.
Yes, ma'am.
And make sure you keep the court updated with your address.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't go to your hearing, they will issue a warrant for your
You
arrest.
said March 5th?
March
Okay.
5th.
Okay.
Okay, please take your paperwork, sir.
Thank you.
Britt Hall, please come to the podium, and then Ivan Paxton, have a seat by the door.
Ivan Paxton, come on
Please say
down.
your name and date of birth.
To the price is wrong.
March 7th, 1977.
Thank you, sir. You're here today on a new case. It is alleged that you committed aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous weapon. That's a Class 5 felony.
Harris County, where's that at?
Threatening
B?
and reckless driving, those are all alleged as misdemeanors.
Is that
This
Texas?
court did find probable cause, appointed an attorney to assist you, and your next hearing is downtown Phoenix on March 5th at 8:30 in the morning.
Houston, okay.
You have specific release conditions that you must promise to follow. Your release conditions are to not have any contact with the alleged victim, witnesses, or complainants. You're not to possess any weapons, possess or consume any alcohol or drugs
Thank you,
without a
Dallas.
valid prescription. If an order against harassment is issued against you, be sure to comply with that court order. You may not own any weapons or reside or knowingly be present at any place where firearms are located while this case is pending. So if you have any,
Thank you,
need to make
Princess.
arrangements because you're being released in a few hours to not be anywhere around you while this is pending. Okay? Please take your paperwork, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ivan Paxton, please come to the podium. And then Ignacio Ruiz Monsiváis.
What up, JG? Yeah, it's been a minute.
Yep. All right.
Hey, what
Please
up,
say your name
Princess?
and date of birth.
Ivan Paxton, 7/16/1985.
What up, Carly?
Thank you, sir. So you're here today on something a little bit
Hey,
different.
don't push it, Chad.
It is a warrant from another
What up,
state.
Lisa?
It's considered what's called a fugitive of justice.
This guy's
Prior to
definitely
the hearing, you were given some
styling and
paperwork.
profiling?
Were you able to read that paperwork?
Yes, I got through it the best as I can, but like when was the warrant of a fugitive issued?
Okay, I'll give you a little bit of information, but then I have a question for you, okay? So what I have here is a warrant for homicide.
Likewise.
And it is out of Los Angeles County.
Los Angeles?
And it looks like it was issued,
Did she say homicide?
because that's a good question.
Nico, man, I was in the hospital for over a month.
I didn't even know there was a warrant or I was even wanted for anything.
It looks like it's a 2025, December 19th. So December 19th of 2025 is what it looks like from what I can read here, but it was confirmed today.
December?
So we do have the confirmation that it is a valid warrant and it is for you. So now I need to ask you, you
that
have
was done.
two choices to make now.
25 to
The
life.
choice is you can demand an extradition hearing.
Hey, what up,
And
Bruce?
if you demand the extradition hearing,
Ah,
that's
walk.
a civil
Courtesy
hearing where
flush.
You could hire your own attorney to represent you, and at that extradition hearing, what they would do is determine if a governor's warrant
Lisa,
is to
thank
be
you.
issued to extradite you back to California. And what they would do is they would have up to
Man, we don't want him
90
back.
days
Keep him in
for the governor
Arizona.
of California and
I can't see his
Arizona to
face.
sign that warrant, and then they would extradite you. So you can demand that hearing, or you can waive the extradition hearing, and you would
Don't
be
waive.
held up to 30 days with no bond in Maricopa County, and we would let California know that you're ready to be picked up. And then they would have that time to come and get you, but if at the end of 30 days you're not picked up, you would be released. So you can demand the hearing. The hearing would be March 2nd, and your bond would be $3,050,000, because that's what they asked for.
50,000.
You can waive that hearing and be held 30 days in Maricopa custody for them to come and get you.
Hey, what up, Melissa? Hey, pay the 50.
May I ask, like, what grounds, like, why do I have this warrant?
So I don't have that information. What I do have
$3 million.
is confirmation that there is a valid warrant out for your arrest, and the allegation here is murder. And that's why the bond is so high.
Hey, I wonder who this fool smoked.
Whatever process it may be for me to continue, I don't want to sit here for no 90 days.
Okay.
Why?
So if you want to waive the 90 days and just be held for 30, let me ask you these questions.
Really quick before you begin, it's mandatory I have to wait 30 days before I have to go there?
You don't have to wait 30 days here. They would have 30 days until they picked you up. And if they don't pick you up within that 30 days, you would be released.
Oh, they're going to pick that fool
And
up.
that's my point exactly. So I have to, like, wait here. I have to stay in jail for this.
You would have to stay in jail here until they came to get you. And if they never came to get you, then you would be released after 30 days.
Yeah, he ain't going nowhere for sure.
And then if they never come get me, then it's like I'm sitting here for nothing.
Well, they might reissue a different warrant, or they might do something else. I don't know. But for those 30 days, you would be held without bond, waiting for them to extradite you. So if you don't want to do that, we can say, no, we're not going to waive it, and you can demand your hearing. That is your right, sir.
I think he's focusing on the wrong thing right here.
Because I want to, go ahead, with the proceedings. Because I really don't know why they have that type of warrant out for me. I don't know why those allegations are even brought up against me.
Okay, so to
You only spending the rest of your life in prison.
so that you can have
At this point.
questions answered.
No, I want this to move forward. I don't want to wait here 30 days, let alone 90.
Okay, then let me ask you these questions and see if we can make a finding that you waive it. Did you read the waiver of extradition paperwork?
What paper?
To the best of my ability, yes.
Okay. Do you understand that you do not have to sign the waiver paperwork?
To the best of my ability, yes.
Do you understand that you have a right to an extradition hearing?
And to the
What
best
up,
of my
Dan?
ability, yes.
Do you understand that you have the right to hire a lawyer at your own expense?
Yes.
Do you understand you have the right to demand that a governor's warrant be signed by both states, California and Arizona, before you are returned?
Did anybody catch his date of birth?
Repeat that one more time, please.
Do you understand you have the right to
95?
demand the governor's warrant be signed by the governors of both
Hey, what up,
states,
Fluff-
California and
Fluffy?
Arizona, before you are returned?
Yes.
So that fool's like, what,
Do you
31?
understand you have the right to bail? That's that $3,050,000.
Yes. That can be lowered?
We affirm the out-of-county and out-of-state bonds, so that would not be lowered.
It could be $1 million.
Been held in Arizona, not for anything.
Hey, what up, Mad Dog 2020?
Strictly from
California. Yeah. Do you want to give up
What up, Charlie?
rights and sign the paperwork?
And what rights am I giving up?
The right to that hearing.
All of them.
To make the governors sign that warrant, and they would have up to 90 days to sign that warrant.
Yes. So pretty much I'm going, they have 30 days to continue.
Okay. So, has anyone threatened you or promised you with anything to get you to sign the paperwork?
No, they just took my eye-seeing glasses.
Oh, no. Okay.
Oh, no.
Have you had any drugs, alcohol, or medication within the last 24 hours?
All the time.
Okay. So, I'm going to find that you knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily
What up, Locked Up
going to
Connections?
sign the waiver, and I will also sign it. I'm going to direct the sheriff's office to notify California that you're ready to return. And then California will have 30 days starting tomorrow to pick you up, unless there's any local Arizona charges pending. Are there any local charges for you, sir, that you know about?
No, ma'am. I
Okay.
didn't even know about this California one.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sign it, because that way it moves it along faster, which is what I'm getting from what you're saying. You would like it to go faster. Okay, so I'll say yes. I will save. I will sign. If you would please step over here, sir. You actually have to sign it.
Step where?
Right over here.
See, maybe we could get a glimpse of his wear. Hey, is he wearing the same suit that Maduro was wearing when they picked up Maduro? Is that a Nike? Nah, that's not a Nike. I don't see a Nike logo. Is it matching? Let's see. Nah, it's not matching. Hey, thank you for that daily heart. Hey, Charlie. Looks like it. Hey, you know what? Ever since I saw Maduro, when they had that fool on the plane, I was like, man, I gotta get one of those. I don't know what. I'll pay. They're probably like $200. I need to get one of those. I found 3 pennies. Hey, no, California's definitely gonna come from there. There is no way they're not gonna pick him up. They probably have some sheriffs driving that way right now. If the case was out of LA County, maybe LAPD or who knows. But yeah, they're definitely coming for him. One of them PDs are coming for him. Hey, let me see that one girl, Melly. So you know what? Before I ended up in the hospital, I used to do these lives regularly. But right now, with my whole health situation and whatnot, it's a little bit hard. So this is my first stream that I've done in over 2 months. Hey, love left me. Thank you for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you. Let me see that far. No. LA to Phoenix it's only a 5-hour drive. 187. He took somebody's life. Let me see. It's truly. Hey, thank you, Lisa. They're coming out private jet. I was wondering what happened to. Yeah, that's what happened to me. Moon Eyes. I ended up in the hospital over a routine procedure that went left. Hey, Charlie, thank you for that.
And hopefully you'll be able to speak with medical to get your glasses back, because most...
I hope so.
Yeah,
What kind of glasses did he have? Like Gucci?
So you just have to talk to medical about that.
Okay.
Okay. All right, thank you for your time, sir. If you'll follow the officer's instructions. Thank you.
I'm okay now. I'm getting better.
Monsivias?
But it's definitely been a roller coaster of emotions and healing and whatnot. You know, body-wise, mental-wise, a lot of stuff. You know, ending up in the hospital is definitely not easy. I could tell you that much. That's the longest I've ever been hospitalized, and man, it definitely wasn't fun. But you know, luckily I have a great support system. My wife, my kids, and whatnot, and family, the friends that helped out. Even you guys, you know, for praying for me. I appreciate you guys, if you will. Glad to see you. Hey, thank you. Yeah. Hopefully, man, I'll be back and running 100% in the next few months. It's been 2 months, so you know, the recovery has definitely been slow, if you will. But you know, I guess things could have been worse. Things could have been worse. Luckily, I'm here and I'm able to, you know, suffer, if you will.
Hello, this is Commissioner Gentry at the initial appearance hearing. Is this the Spanish
Did somebody say mustache?
interpreter?
Hey, that's right, Chacha. One day at a time.
Will be a Spanish interpreter.
Thank you, Ms. Maria. If you would
Hey, thank you.
affirm that you will directly translate my words from English to Spanish and the defendant's words from Spanish to
Hey, what up,
English
Jeremy?
exactly as we say them.
Okay. Yes.
Man, if you will.
Bueno, yo voy a traducirle lo que le quiere decir la comisionado, ¿sí?
I'm on right now, Drea.
Okay. Thank you. Please wait for the Spanish translator to finish speaking before you speak.
This guy's a heavy breather, if you will.
Jugar si va a afirmar que se va a traducir directamente. Por favor.
I don't think he would do good on this one right here.
Sí, así usted puede hablar después.
Okay.
Please say your name and your date of birth.
Por favor, diga su nombre y fecha de nacimiento.
0220 del 80, mi nombre es Ignacio Ruiz Monsiváis.
Ignacio Ruiz Montibay.
Sí.
Yeah, I drink water even before this whole thing.
0220 del 80.
Okay.
Nah, luckily it wasn't pneumonia.
2080, date of birth. Ignacio Ruiz Montibay is the name.
Thank you. You are here today on a new justice court case.
What up, Drea? Shawana.
Bueno, gracias. Usted está hoy presentándose en nuestro nuevo caso dentro de la corte.
You know, I brought that
It's
memorabilia back from the hospital.
It's alleged that
It
you were
doesn't work
driving
well.
under the influence and that you had a blood alcohol level of 0.08 or more.
Oh, agua for this guy.
Bueno, el motivo es estar conduciendo bajo la influencia de sustancias y que tenía alcohol en sangre pues, nivel mayor, o sea, de 0.08 o más.
Mm.
An attorney has been appointed to assist you.
Bueno, se le ha asignado a un defensor para que lo pueda asistir.
Your next hearing is at the Hasayampa Justice
Hey, Shadow,
Court.
thank you for that.
Bueno, su próxima audiencia será en la Corte de Justicia de Hasayampa.
It will be on March 11th at 9 a.m.
Sería el 11 de marzo a las 9 a.m.
You are being released today on your promise to go to that hearing.
Bueno, el día de
It might be the medication I'm on right now, Chad.
promesa de que usted asistirá a la audiencia.
Between now and your next hearing, do not possess or consume any alcohol.
Bueno, entre ahora y la próxima audiencia no puede poseer ni consumir nada de alcohol.
Oh, man.
Okay. All this information.
Now they
is
put me
the
on something a little bit
paperwork.
stronger. The next step
Please
up,
take the paperwork.
Chad.
Bueno, toda esta información está en el papel. Sí, por favor, tome el papel.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Maria. That was our only Spanish language defendant. We appreciate your service.
Hey, Cap
to the
Jack,
court
thank you
this
for that daily heart. Highly appreciate you.
You're more than welcome. Thank you.
Health is key, brother. Yeah, for sure, Andrew.
Bye.
Yeah, okay,
We
ND.
do have one person we're going to see as a house call. This person's name is Brooke Len Braxton, and they are in close custody. So date of birth 5/14/79, alleging
Been a minute, yeah.
against a correctional employee. He is
Tabby,
actually
thank you.
already in custody for a 2023 offense, and the CR number is on the paperwork.
Hey, what up, Mandy
The person
Hands?
appointed to assist him in this next hearing is February 25th, 8:30 in the morning. He does have a $1,000 secured appearance bond. I will explain to him, though, not to post the bond.
I'll talk about that right now,
because he
Harley.
won't be released until he's eligible for release on his prior 2023 case. If there are any changes to this order, they will be reflected on the written document. It's not my intention to return to this
Maggie, thank you for the
recording at this
follow.
time. The initial appearance hearing calendar for 11 o'clock is in recess until 2 a.m.
2 a.m.? Who the hell has court at 2 a.m.? All right, guys, give me a minute. I'm going to stay on because I know a lot of you guys are showing up and you guys have a lot of questions. So I'm going to go ahead and try to answer as many of those questions as I can. Claudia Ramirez, thank you for that heart or for that flower. Highly appreciate you. Court at 10 p.m. Give me 1 minute. I want to turn on the lights and I'm going to raise up the screen. Give me a minute, okay? All right, so for those of you guys that are just coming on right now, pretty much what ended up